A lot of people think of risk analysis and statistics as being fairly synonymous. They go hand in hand. Statistics try to prove things. In statistics we try to prove hypotheses. Is this population different from that population? Is this a test that has a positive outcome? A medication or something like that. So they're trying to make confidence around proof. Risk analysis is about, and so there is a certain burden of proof in statistics. You need a certain quantity of information to be able to say with some high level of confidence that this is true and that is false. In risk analysis, if you think risk analysis is about making decisions, you normally will have a deadline on when you need to make that decision. And so given that deadline, given all the data you could collect, you're simply asking, what's the best decision I can make, given what I've got? So you almost never get a statistician involved in these problems because they go, no, I need more data. Well, that's all we got, and we're going to make a decision tomorrow. So, let's live with what we have. And it's a very different world a risk analyst lives in. They just, what's the best we can do with it? And that's always going to be better than throwing up a hand and go, oh, I don't have enough data, which statisticians often say.
And again, according to another piece of research by Philip Tatlock, he found no discipline on earth where intuition beats simple regression models. So you may think that your experienced, head of procurement or head of production know better, but if you actually went ahead and tested them, the chances are they really don't. And so we have a lot of empirical research out there, and again, I wrote this article, the 16 best books on risk management that every risk-interested person should read. David's book is one of them.
I had to pay him a huge sum. Yeah.
And so basically, I think there are 2 books out there in the list of 16 that have the word risk in the title. What this means is that to understand risk management, you actually need to understand probability theory, decision science, and neuroscience, and none of them are fields related to risk management, which is bizarre because all of neuroscience is called risk perception, and the 2002 Nobel Prize in Economics was for making decisions under uncertainty. So again, clear reference to risk management, and yet risk managers are just suddenly discovering this as something new, and all of these books are more than 10 years old. It's embarrassing. So a lot of research has been done in fields that are relevant to risk management, and ISO and COSO have not picked up almost none of that, which is great. Well done to them for trying to standardize risk management, ignoring all the underlying sciences. So let's kind of get to practical stuff